Welcome you once again to the e-learning classes. I am here once again back to take your science class. This is for class 4. Before starting the class, let us say something that I have taken your chapter 1 food and digestion, and I will explain the chapter, and also we have done some of the question answer from this chapter. We will continue with the rest of the question answer of this chapter. So let us start, student. Get ready. This is your science book, Updated Master in Science by Cordova Publication. Let us open the exercise of chapter 1 food and digestion. Page number 10. Okay. So we are doing number D, short answer question. Up to 4, I think 1, 2, 3 and 4 we have done. We will start from 5 today. So let us start. Let us start this one. Number D. Short answer question. Short answer questions. Okay. Number 5. What is the question? What is the function of pancreas? What is the function of pancreas? P-N-C-R-E-A-S, pancreas. So let us write this answer. Pancreas, okay, pancreas produces juices that help to digest carbohydrates. Pancreas produces juices that help to digest carbohydrates, comma, fats and proteins in small intestine. So what is the answer? What is the function of pancreas? Pancreas produces juices that help to digest carbohydrates, fats and proteins in small intestine. Okay, we have completed this answer. Let us go to the next question, question number 6. Let us see what is the question. We will open again page number 10, question number 6. See here, we will read the question properly. During dinner, Manisha always serves water to everybody in the family. So during dinner, Manisha, she is a girl, she is serving water to everybody in its family. So question A, we will do only question A. Question B is value corner, value based question. We will not do that one. We will do only A. So how many glasses of water should we drink daily? We know this, students. We all know this answer very much. This is this answer. Let us write this answer. So I will write only 6A. What is the question? How many glasses of water water should we drink daily? What is the answer? We'll write we should drink about 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Yes. So how many glasses of water should we drink daily? We should drink about 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. So completed this one. We will go to next question, question number 7. What is question number 7? What is meant by digestion? Question number 7 is, what is meant by digestion? Let us write this one. What is meant by digestion? Okay, we'll write digestion to underline the word digestion. Digestion is a process in which the food we eat is broken down into simple and soluble substances that are absorbed by the body. Okay, so what is the answer? What is meant by digestion? What is meant by digestion? Digestion is a process in which the food we eat is broken down into simple and soluble substances that are absorbed by the body. Okay, we have completed this question answer. Then let us go to the next question, question number 8. What is question number 8? We'll see that one. Why are foods, let us write the question. Why are foods rich in vitamins called protective food? Why are foods rich in vitamins? Why are foods rich in vitamins called protective food? Foods. It will be S. Foods. Okay. Let us write this answer. Foods rich in vitamins are called protective foods. You can underline the word protective foods. Foods rich in vitamins are called protective foods because vitamins help our body to fight against the diseases. Foods rich in vitamins are called productive foods because vitamins help our body to fight against the diseases and keep us healthy. Keep us healthy. We can write some example. Fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are rich in vitamins. Are rich in vitamins. We know that's that one. So what we have written, why are foods rich in vitamins called productive food? Foods rich in vitamins are called protective foods because vitamins help our body to fight against the diseases and keep us healthy. Fruits and vegetables are rich in vitamins. So I think we have completed this part, number D, we have completed up to question number 8. Okay, next. Okay, students, so up to this much we have completed today. I think you will learn all the questions by heart. You will memorize it. Next class we will carry on with the other question answer from this chapter, food and digestion. So thank you very much.